Hey, welcome back to Module 5. This is your professor, Professor Fischke, and I'm here to talk about programming in C using pointers. So before this, we discussed the idea of using a memory address, or to find out what our memory addressing is. Well, what is a pointer? A pointer gives us the ability to store. A pointer gives us the ability to store a memory address. Now, what's important about this, and when I say memory address, I literally mean what you see here. I'm going to do this real quick so we can go a little deeper into this. What I literally mean is this. I want to know where this is. I want to move it to a memory location that is closer to all my other variables in my program. So I'm going to save the pointer of my specific memory addressing appropriately. And that works like this. So at this point, we're saying this is my memory address. Well, I want to save that in a pointer, so I would say, okay, int, I think it's x that, or my apologies, I'm looking at the syntax really fast. Yep. So it's, my apologies, flipping back and forth. Y equals x. Now, what is going on here? Well, x it has the value of 15. This is all great and good. But now I want to know where this is. Where is it sitting in my memory? So I'm going to print that out. It's sitting here, and the way I print it out is I say, okay, well, I'm going to use printf. I'm going to %p, and you know what? We'll do this all below it, actually, now that I'm thinking about it. So %p will give me the actual memory location. I also want to know printf. I also want to know what the value is. So we're going to say x. I think I need to put quotations around that. And then I want to say printf. I want to save it, right? So now I'm going to print the pointer. So I'm going to say, I think it's p again, and I would say print y. And that should be fine. And then if I run this, I should get the value, the memory location, and the memory location. I didn't get that. I got something else. I think that's because 15 being D is not the right answer. One second. Let's look at this again. D P P. I did it right. I did it right. So what is wrong? Let's do that. Oh, I put it all together. That's what it was. I needed to use new line to make sure that they're not all jumbled together like they are. Run. And now I have the value of 15 sits in the variable x. My pointer location for x is as follows. I'm sorry, my memory allocation, or my memory addressing for that is as follows, x. And now my pointer, which is storing that memory location, is y. Now, why in the world would I ever want to do this? Well, the thing about pointers is that pointers are the things which make C much more powerful than Python and Java, because we can make our programs more efficient in C, which is why you will see a lot of operating systems, a lot of base level programs use C, because we can control our memory addressing and memory allocation at the language level. C is as close to assembly as you'll get when it comes to procedural programming without stepping into assembly or stepping into other programming types. So what I would tell you is this. This gives us the ability to make our data structures far more efficient, especially when we know that our node traversal of specific trees in our programming need to be closer. So you would see, like, if you went to work for Amazon, C is one of the languages that they like to use, because C allows us to do very quick node traversal across specific items and then to link those items together in a seamless way. There's only one other programming language that does this, that allows us to do it at a very holistic level. And you'll be surprised to know that that transcendental language is Python. Okay, well, with that being said, I want to stop here and say thanks a bunch for listening to me run my suck and teach you about pointers and addressing in C. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And as I say in all of my videos, good luck, have fun, ciao.